Click on the link below to get price. The DoorBird IP Video Door Station D1812 is an impressive upgrade for those looking to enhance their home security while integrating modern technology seamlessly. Designed as a hybrid solution, this door station offers compatibility with existing DoorKing installations, making it an attractive option for homeowners wanting an easy transition to smart home features without extensive rewiring. One of the standout features of the D1812 is its high-definition video capabilities, providing crisp and clear images at 1080p resolution. The 180-degree wide-angle lens ensures you can see anyone approaching your door, eliminating blind spots. The night vision feature is particularly noteworthy, as it allows for clear visibility even in low-light conditions, enhancing security at all hours. The two-way audio feature is also impressive, enabling you to communicate with visitors directly through your smartphone or tablet, regardless of your location. Installation is relatively straightforward, especially for those already familiar with DoorKing systems. The hybrid upgrade accommodates existing wiring, making it a less daunting task for DIY enthusiasts. Once installed, the DoorBird app provides a user-friendly interface to control the device, access video feeds, and receive notifications whenever someone is at your door. The build quality of the D1812 is robust, crafted from durable materials that can withstand various weather conditions, making it suitable for outdoor use. Additionally, the integration with smart home systems allows for automation and remote management, further enhancing its functionality. However, some users may find the initial setup process slightly challenging, particularly if they are not tech-savvy. Additionally, a stable Wi-Fi connection is crucial for optimal performance, which might pose a limitation for some households. Overall, the DoorBird IP Video Door Station D1812 is an excellent choice for those seeking a reliable and feature-rich door entry solution. Its combination of high-quality video, ease of installation, and smart technology integration makes it a worthy investment for enhancing home security.